It's a little chaotic in here. So this is one of the blankets I got him. This is from Cabela's, and it's just outdoorsy. And then some pillowcases. These are just from Amazon. And then these Eddie Bauer sheets. I just thought this is perfect. Real boyish, but also I think they're super cute and match that like outdoorsy theme. And then pine cones. I just thought these were so cute, so I had to get them. So let's wash these and get these ready for Saturday. I don't normally drink Alani's, but today I'm gonna need one. The boys have been crazy. It's 9, no it's not, it's only like 8:30. And we have a lot to do, so let's get started. Gave Mitch 2 different colors, and I said, which one do you like more? And he said, the darker one. And I was like, cool. So I went with the lighter one. Woo!
Trip, trip.
Oh, booty.
Are you looking for your screwdriver?
No.
Oh. Just say it's in my back pocket.
Oh, thanks so much for your help.
47 minutes.
We still have pictures to hang.
God damn it.
It's on your foot.
Yeah. Shut up. Shut up, Mitch.
Yeah.
So what do you think, Mitch?
I like it. This is great. This looks so cool. I wish I had a bedroom like this, but I had to fucking fight for a year just to get a TV.
They go in this. So should I put the sheet that no one likes on?
Hey, why are you hitting the wall with a hammer? Okay, he can have a hammer.
I didn't use the hammer. Kayla did.
I'm using it.
So should I put the cover sheet on or no?
Sure.
What do you mean cover sheet?
Oh, that one? No.